Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Five Nights at Freddy's on Roblox piano. Start by finding a Roblox game that offers a virtual piano. Many games, like Piano Keyboard or Robloxian High School, include interactive pianos. Once in the game, take a moment to understand the piano's layout and how to input notes. Most virtual pianos use your keyboard keys, often mapping to a standard musical scale. This initial step is crucial for a smooth playing experience. Next, you'll need the sheet music or a tutorial for your favorite Five Nights at Freddy's songs. A quick online search for F Roblox piano tutorial will yield many results. Websites and YouTube channels often provide simplified note sequences or visual guides. Look for arrangements that are easy to follow on a virtual keyboard, focusing on popular tunes like the Toreador March or It's Been So Long. Now it's time to play. Begin by practicing the melody of your chosen F song slowly. Many Roblox pianos display the notes on screen, which can be a helpful visual aid. Focus on hitting each note correctly and maintaining a steady rhythm. Don't be afraid to pause and repeat difficult sections. Consistent practice, even for just 10 to 15 minutes daily, will significantly improve your playing. To truly master F songs on the Roblox piano, consistent practice is key. Try recording your performances to pinpoint areas for improvement. Explore various Five Nights at Freddy's tracks, from the main theme to character-specific melodies, to broaden your skills. Engaging with other virtual pianists in Roblox communities can also provide valuable insights and new sheet music. Enjoy the process of bringing these iconic tunes to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.